Next up, Hunter for Phalanx. In this, we need to complete 3 hunt contracts in 1 deployment and exfil successfully. This should be pretty easy, especially if you have talented teammates with you, or you're really good with PvP, or just get lucky. Oh, well, there we go. Beep, beep, boop, boop. Huh? Okay, we did one already. Okay. Well, next one, I suppose. That was easy. Well, it seems like the first squad we went for just decided to game end themselves, and now we're going for another one, so it's good that it counted at least. And if these people are running from us. Oh, where you found them, were they? Where did you find them? Yes, it's alright, locker. Quickly grab the last one then. Right, so let's quickly grab this 3rd hunt contract and get it done as soon as possible. Well, it looks like this last team is exfilling, so hopefully we can get to them in time before they do. Otherwise, we won't be able to get this mission done, which will be a little bit annoying. And there we go. Alright, so anyways, that's it. Hunter for Phalanx. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.